Can you guess the sea animals by their picture? Test your ocean knowledge in this 3-minute quiz challenge. Guess the sea animal. Dolphin, shark, shrimp.
Time up.
Correct answer is shark. Which animal has this tentacle with suction cups? Squid, octopus, jellyfish.
Time up.
Correct answer is octopus. Can you guess which animal has this large claw? Lobster, crab, sea urchin.
Time up.
Correct answer is crab. This long tail helps it swim quickly. Stingray, whale, sea turtle.
Time up.
Correct answer is stingray. These spots are found on which sea animal's body? Seahorse, whale shark, clownfish.
Time up.
Correct answer is whale shark. Which animal has this spiky hard shell? Sea urchin, crab, lobster.
Time up.
Correct answer is sea urchin. These whiskers help it sense food in the water. Sea lion, dolphin, seal.
Time up.
Correct answer is seal. Whose flipper is this? Penguin, sea turtle, seal.
Time up.
Correct answer is sea turtle. These fan-like wings belong to which animal? Manta ray, starfish, jellyfish.
Time up.
Correct answer is manta ray. This spotted, translucent body part is from A. Jellyfish, squid, seahorse.
Time up.
Correct answer is jellyfish. This snout belongs to which cute sea mammal? Sea otter, dolphin, sea lion.
Time up.
Correct answer is sea otter. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun quiz videos.